Alright, so if you guys remember, like back in July I made a video called the 190 edit for my friend TJ. I'm going to his house, so if you guys like dirt bike content, please hit the like button and subscribe. So let's go. So I roll up to the house and TJ's mowing his lawn. Dogs! Whoa, whoa, too close, too close. He's mowing. Oh! What was that? Oh, there it goes. Did you hear it do it again?
Yeah, it's not supposed to be back popping like that.
So bad. Let me go up on this.
You can see him?
Oh, we're gonna see him. I hope he doesn't see me though. Ah. Oh. Oh. Go in first gear. Oh. What a plug. Plug. Oh.
Second gear is the gear.
Basically, we're just riding TJ's pit bike. That's this video. Oh. Because it's Friday night. We're bored. Here he comes. Don't run into me. Oh! Oh, sorry, I shouldn't laugh. Ride it out, ride it out. Oh, that you almost had it that time.
I could've.
Oh, he nailed it. He nailed it. It took him a few tries, but you got it.
Where'd you go?
I'm over here.
Oh, you want me to do it again?
No, you got it, dude.
Try to do a faster one.
No, you don't need to do a faster one. You're crazy. Oh!
That's what it takes right here. Guts, baby.
Oh. What?
Did you get that on video?
No, I wish I did.
Come on. Oh yeah, I mean it's a 110, but I mean having beers,
got
I
cool
mean
stickers on
it
it,
adds
man.
10 cc's of beer, so I mean this thing's at least a 250.
At least a 250. It's a 3-stroke. It's a Dominator.
Oh, it's
Dominate the track.
100.
Hey, someone's calling your phone.
That's Josh, watch it. Hey man,